Hi, I'm Brian with Pioneer Builders. We're finally at the point in this project where we're able to install the soaking tub. The plumber will be on site today, and so everything's laid out for him. The soaking tub will be in the master bathroom, and we had to do the infrastructure during rough-in phase. So in this hole here, we've got our drain pipe, we've got our supply, and then we have insulation. That would be a real easy detail to miss, is to put insulation in there. This is the main part of the tub, and then that's the sleeve that it goes into. When you look at the top, you can see that there's 4 adjustable legs, and then the little hole for the drain. Here's the template to help out. It's the Maax Ariosa 6636 tub. You can see all of these ovals here. There's those legs. The center line that tells you where the drain goes. And then we have the faucet with the handles right there. That'll correspond to this section of the tub. And then when you look here, you can also see where that drain and the 2 handles will go through there. And then over here you can see the actual fixture. Here's the tub filler, handles, and then a handheld. Over on Instagram, I'll end up doing a little video on how this ended up completing.